everyone, you're welcome back to another video. Today I want to share how you can move to Netherlands for work, and this is an easier pathway. All right, so here you don't need a university degree. The requirements are way lower. Anyone can do it. You don't need any language tests. So if you want to work in Netherlands, this is the video to watch. It's going to be very detailed. I'll share all the visa information with you, all the eligibility, the documents you need to apply, and I'm going to show you the organizations in Netherlands that are waiting to receive your application. So please do watch to the end. If you're new here, my name is Jackie, and on this channel I help people to move abroad. So if you want to move abroad, this is the right place for you. So do subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, drop a comment. I always have something special for first timers. So if it's your first time here, please drop a comment. Don't watch without dropping a comment. All right, I reply all my comments. And if you like my personal guidance to move abroad, do send me an email, and you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me. We get to talk over a call. The link is down below, or just send me an email. You are very much welcome to the channel, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate your support. If you want to make $1,000 every month from the comfort of your home without doing anything, then I have the perfect opportunity for you. Here you're going to have a monthly income without doing anything. Have you ever heard of passive income? That money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. That is what I am talking about. So let me tell you exactly how you can make $1,000 every month without doing anything. You can start a publishing business on Amazon KDP. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world with over 2 billion active users every month. So they have the customer base that are waiting for you to publish your books so they can purchase them from all around the world. You don't need to be a writer to do this. You're not writing any books because you're publishing public domain books. These are books that are best-selling books globally and are highly in demand at the moment. All you need to do is buy these manuscripts that have already been formatted, edited, and ready to publish. So you buy your manuscripts from www.stackly.com, you publish it on Amazon KDP, and Amazon pays you every month forever. I started my publishing business over 6 years ago the same way, and I still get paid today for doing nothing. When you buy a pack of manuscripts, Stackly is going to give you a free training that is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start and how to be successful in the business. It's going to show you how to create your KDP account, how to publish your books, and how to get paid to your local bank account anywhere in the world. You also get the privilege of joining an exclusive publishers group that has publishers from all around the world. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly, do send me an email so I can add you to the group. Stackly currently has 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150 manuscripts, and 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I highly recommend the pack of 300 because obviously that is where you get to make the most money, and that is exactly what I did. I got my 300 pack of manuscripts from Stackly over 6 years ago, and I am getting paid every month for doing nothing. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, publish your books on Amazon, sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below, or send me an email and I'll share the information with you. Stackly currently has a discount sale on all the manuscript packs, so this is the best time for you to get started with your publishing business. Don't forget to send me an email after you have purchased your manuscripts. All right, so who wants to move to Netherlands? This is a very beautiful country you can move to, and they have openings for young people to come into the country to work as an au pair. They have a pathway, which is the residence purpose for au pair and exchange. This is a legal framework for cultural exchange. It's not only about childcare. I have done several videos about how to move to Europe as an au pair. I've done one for France, for Denmark, several countries, right? So you can also move to Netherlands as an au pair. So I'm going to be giving you a breakdown, show you the step-by-step guide on how to get it done, and show you the full list of employers that can hire you to move to Netherlands as an au pair. So how does it work? This program is for young people, usually between the ages of 18 and 25, to go live with a host family in the Netherlands, where you'll be provided free boarding, free accommodation, free meals, and a monthly stipend in exchange for light household and childcare help and also an opportunity for you to learn the language. So this is a cultural exchange program. So if you've ever been curious about the Dutch culture, this is an opportunity for you to get that done. Being that this is for young people starting from the age of 18, you're typically not expected to be a university graduate, all right? So if you're done with your secondary school, you're young, you want to explore, then you can try out this pathway. They have approved agencies that hire au pairs from around the world. So I'm going to be showing you those agencies right here in the video. But let me just show you the step-by-step guide how you can get started, finding out your eligibility and everything you need to know about the program. I have a mentorship program for those that want to land an overseas job. So if you want to work abroad, the secret is to land a job first. And that is where I come in. I help people to get visa sponsorship jobs abroad through my mentorship program. So if you want to join, registration is currently open. We're going to be starting in a few days. So register now. People have registered already and they have joined our WhatsApp group. There's a WhatsApp group you get to join after your registration. You're going to be having my personal guidance to land a visa sponsorship job abroad. I'll help you with your CV, your cover letter, and direct employers that are ready to sponsor your visa. The mentorship program covers all countries around the globe: the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, Germany, Japan, Portugal. Anywhere you want to go to, I can help you land a visa sponsorship job through my mentorship program. So please do use the link that is down below or send me an email and I'll share the link with you to register. Please don't forget to join the WhatsApp group after you have registered. Let us see directly from the Netherlands immigration website. Let us start from here. Residence permit au pair, right? So this is just to find out what the eligibility criteria is for you. So you're going to put in here your nationality. So I am a Nigerian, so I'm just going to use my own nationality for this. So feel free to use yours so you can see your own eligibility, right? So do you already have a valid Dutch residence permit? No, I do not. Did you have a Dutch residence permit and did it expire less than 2 years ago? And do you still live in the Netherlands? No. Then view information. So when you answer those questions, it's going to give you personalized information based on your situation, yeah? So they've said here, you need a residence permit to live in the Netherlands as an au pair. Only an au pair agency recognized by the IND can apply for this residence permit for you. Find out what the requirements are. So there's a whole lot of information here. There's the requirements, the process, the cost, the application forms, and all of that. So here are the requirements for me. This is a very long list. All right, so number one, you are going to live in the Netherlands temporarily on an exchange program as an au pair through a recognized agency. You meet the general requirements that apply to everyone. Let's look at what that requirements are. So you need to have a valid passport, no danger to public order or national security. So you need to get a police report, and then tuberculosis test is needed as well. All right, so let us go back. You are at least 18 and no more than 25. You are unmarried. You do not have children. You have not had a residence permit for exchange in Netherlands before. You are going to live with a host family, all right? And then your host family has 2 or more members. That is husband, wife, at least, right? More members would mean they have children. You have not worked for the host family before in Netherlands or abroad, meaning you have absolutely no relationship with them. You are not related to them. You will carry out light housekeeping tasks for the family. You do this no more than 8 hours a day for a maximum of 30 hours a week. You have at least 2 days off each week. So even though you are living with your host family, you're not working around the clock. There has to be that order, you know, when it has to do with your work hours, and then you get 2 days off every day, which you can use that to travel around. You can even go to neighboring countries, visit Belgium, you know, visit other countries, yeah. And then you would not carry out tasks for people who need more specialized care. So anything that has to do with maybe caregiving, nursing, and all of that, you don't engage in such. You and your host family will make a schedule for all 7 days of the week. You have not, yeah, signed a contract with a host family, intermediary agency, or an au pair agency stating that you must pay a fine if you do not fulfill the contract, and you have not paid any fees to an intermediary agency or au pair agency. So it is free. That's basically what they're trying to say, that money should not change hands while you were trying to get to Netherlands as an au pair. The agency is not going to charge you, and then you have not paid more than 34 in cost to prepare for your stay in the Netherlands. For example, for registration and intermediary services, all of that. They just want to keep it light for you. All right, so the process and the cost, let us look at that. So you check the requirements and you're sure that you meet the requirements. All right, there are links for everything. And then you collect your documents, all documents you need to apply. The au pair agency applies for the visa for you and then pay the application fees. You wait for your decision. And then when you get your visa, your residence permits, you can travel down. All right, so that's all about the residence permits and all of that. So let's see more information here. Right here, you're going to see the recognized sponsors for the residence purpose au pair and exchange, which was updated just on the 4th of December, just a few days ago. All right, so they've added more agencies to the list. So this is the full list. This is the full list. So for au pair, this is it. And then for exchange, this is it. All right, so you will just come to this list and look for openings here and apply. So what you need to do is copy it and search for it on Google. Here it is. Let's open it. So here you're going to come and find an au pair opening, about them, who they are, contact details, host family, au pair story. So you can see other people that went to Netherlands as an au pair through this agency. So you can read their story. And then if you have any questions, you can contact them. You put your name, your phone number, email, and a message, all right? So you can let them know that you're interested in joining them as an au pair. You can just give basic information about yourself. So let us see the conditions for an au pair. So they have info here for you here. They have reiterated that it has to be 18 to 25 years old. All right, this is really for young people, and they've said you should be able to speak English and possess good communication skills. Yeah, and then these are the tasks for the au pair. So read. Basically the same things we have covered already, but please ensure you read everything, and if you have questions, do reach out to them. They are going to get back to you. So after the conditions, you can do the online registration. Put your name, fill your email, age, nationality, country of residence, start dates, education, child care experience, motivation, yeah, and then you send it. So this is your registration. You upload your picture as well. So it's their responsibility to match you with an employer. So let us do the same thing with the next one. Let's pick another one to see. Can we look at this one? All right, this is it, au pair exclusive. Basically, just do the same thing for all the organizations on the list, all the agencies on the list, right? And you're sure to get a placement with a host family in the Netherlands. When you have that placement with a host family in the Netherlands, the agency will be the ones to lodge your application for you for your residence permit, for your visa. That will take you down to Netherlands to begin your new adventure as an au pair in the country. So that's basically it. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. If you're interested in joining my mentorship program for those that want to land overseas jobs, please do so. We are starting in a few days. The WhatsApp group is open already. People have registered. So when you register, you get into the WhatsApp group, and we are going to start officially in a few days. So if you want to move abroad for work, feel free to register for my mentorship program. The links are in the description box below, or you can send me an email and I'll share the link with you. After registering, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group. Yes, there are many of you that have registered already and you're yet to join the WhatsApp group. Please, immediately after registering, join the WhatsApp group. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me. Bye for now. Let us see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.